Glendale Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. First, all Glendale divorces are filed through the Los Angeles County Superior Court, which uses a fully electronic filing system. That means we can handle your entire divorce remotely from start to finish without you ever going to the courthouse. Step 1 is filing the initial forms, the petition, summons, and, if you have children, the UCCJEA form. Step 2 is serving your spouse, either through personal service or a signed notice of acknowledgement and receipt if they're cooperative. Step 3 is completing and exchanging your preliminary declaration of disclosure, which includes your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Step 4 is drafting a marital settlement agreement if you're in agreement on how to divide property, support, and custody. Step 5 is submitting your final judgment package to the court for approval. We recently helped a Glendale couple complete every step in under 2 weeks. They were in full agreement and just needed help making it official. We filed everything electronically, handled the disclosures, drafted their agreement, and submitted the judgment without any court involvement. At Divorce 661, we specialize in amicable, flat-fee divorce services across Los Angeles County, including Glendale. We handle everything, the paperwork, filing, and court communication, so you don't have to. If you're ready to start your divorce in Glendale and want it done right the first time, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll walk you through every step and take care of the details so you can move forward with peace of mind.